Sharing shipments using a basic report or a step-by-step report. Creating a shipment is very important. However, sharing the load plan with other people is also important. Whether it's your warehouse staff, drivers, customers, or anyone else. There are 4 ways to share your shipment: basic report, step-by-step report, exporting the load to Excel file, and public link. Let's start with the basic report first. You can create a basic report here and choose from several options. The Basic Views option offers information about the cargo space and loaded items. This report also shows a view of the shipment from the left and right sides. In case there is a specific area in the shipment that is more complicated, or you simply need to display it, you can find the best view using our interactive controls and create a report of the current view. Reports that are created this way, both current and basic views, are saved on our servers and are searchable in the future. If you are looking for a previously created report, you can find it on the Shipments and Reports tab. This will be discussed in more detail in the following video. Each creation of a basic report also automatically saves the current version of the shipment. Another useful feature of EasyCargo is the ability to view the loading process step by step. After pressing the button with the camera icon, an animation will be generated. This animation will show step by step how you can load the cargo as efficiently as possible. You can have the animation play on its own, pause it, or manually move through the steps. You can also use the interactive controls here to rotate your cargo space or zoom in on it. You can also create and print a step-by-step report from this visualization. If the shipment contains a large number of items, it may take longer to generate. Usually, the preview is ready within a few seconds. You can choose to have the legend of loaded items in the report, as well as the table with added items under each step. Keep in mind that the step-by-step report is not saved on the server. Therefore, we recommend that you print it out, or download it as a PDF and save it on your computer. Today, we showed you several ways to share your shipments with your colleagues, employees, or anyone else. In the following video, we will show you how to share the shipments using a public link and an Excel export. Thank you for watching. Watch more videos to learn more about EasyCargo.